The Coolaroo Premium Shade Sail Kit is the ultimate shade solution to enhance your outdoor space and provide protection from the sun's harmful UV rays. Before you begin the installation, measure your outdoor area to help you choose the right size. From pad eyes to turnbuckles, your premium shade sail kit includes all the stainless steel accessories that you will need to install your shade sail properly. First, lay out the shade sail and mark out the positions of your posts. Install posts beforehand and make sure they are sound before attaching the shade sail. Posts should slope away from the center of the sail at an angle of 10 degrees for steel and 20 degrees for wood. It's a good idea to attach a pad eye before you install a post. Next, mark out the remaining fixing points and attach the pad eye securely. Then, connect each corner of the sail to a fixing point using a turnbuckle. If necessary, use the included strap tensioner to pull the shade sail tight into position. Lastly, tighten up the shade sail by turning the turnbuckles. Now, relax and enjoy your shaded outdoor area.